Uy, Cash.
Cash, Rose, no, makatae, kumagasketsan ko. Pinukulbaan na, may kung di ba ako anong brahon ko.
Sobrang OA. Focus, Neil. Compassion starts with preparation. Na-double-check mo na ba ang vital procedures ng patients mo?
Guys, ano ba kayo? Relax lang. Kaya natin to. Remember, courage and compassion. Good morning, future nurses. So, remember, your patient are not just your cases. They're individual with stories. So, I expect nothing but good for you guys. So, ikaw, Roz and Neil, you'll be assigning to Mrs. Tudon in room 302. And you, Kashmir, you assist the charge nurses with medication rounds.
Yes, ma'am. Noted.
And you, Mr. Neil, you also have Mrs. Denosta in room 304.
Nurse, yes ma'am.
Okay.
Ay, naku, Jenny. Mas matigas pa sa bato yung pito na yan. Parang buhay mo. Oo, sana all pa rin.
Good afternoon, Ms. Tudon. I am Rosina, your student nurse for today.
Meron na naman. They all look just the same.
I know you're feeling down po, but I'm here to help you in any way I can. Is there anything I can help you?
I'm tired. Pagod na akong lumaban sa sakit na ito. Ilang years na din.
Ma'am, lahat po tayo napapagod. But there's always a reason to keep fighting. Di ba po? If there's anything bothering you, you can tell me, makikinig po ako.
Ano ni? Si Dr. Pagayaw may utang? Basi hindi baya balaan nga nahulog ni Haw?
Importante ito. Kasi natin Hi, ma'am. Kumusta?
Nurse, kinakulbaan ko ba? Sakit-sakit, gid na.
Mrs. Nose, hindi ka magkabalaka, ma'am. Ubra ko naman ang tinan nga maubra namon para maging safe kasi operasyon mo. Tapos maging komportable ka man, ma'am. I assure you, ma'am, na ubra ko gid namon ang best namon, ma'am, para maayo kagid, ma'am, kag maging nami ang pamatyagan mo, ma'am.
Salamat, kid nurse, ha. Tungod mo nagnami gid ang akong pamatyag.
Wala naman, ma'am.
Neil, would it like you just saw a ghost?
Hindi. Something else found this. Should I just give it to her, or...
It has her name on it. Just give it back. It's the only honest thing to do. She might be looking for it.
Sige.
Naku, nasa na ba yun? Kanina ko na hinahanap.
Ma'am, Dr. Pagayaw, may mapakita ko sa iyo. Nakita ko lang po. Ito po.
Neil, thank you. Kanina ko na hinahanap to. Importanteng bagay to sa akin.
Wala nga naman po. Ma'am, nakita ko lang po kasi. At naisipan ko muli po na ibalik kasi mas maganda po ibalik. Kasi tago lang po. Importante po kasi.
Yes, indeed. Honesty is a virtue in this profession and I am so proud of you.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Rose, maraming salamat ha. Maraming salamat sa pagiging compassionate mo. Dahil doon, you made me want to fight again. Naku, Mrs. Tudon, okay lang po yan. Masaya po ako lang makita kayo magaling na and malit na bagay. Pati ng trabaho ko yun eh. Maraming salamat po. You're welcome.
Good job, Rose. Indeed, Mrs. Tudon's spirit has significantly improved. That's the power of compassion.
The charge nurse said my documentation was perfect. It felt good to be supported. Grabe, Akern, I learned so much today.
Same, I learned so much today. Kasi sino makakala na yung takot sa injection, papalitan ng tabang at nakatulong pa ko sa kanya, makomfort siya at mabawasan yung kanyang kaba.
And my compassion for Miss Tudon, it made a huge difference talaga. Hindi lang tayo dapat mag-focus sa physical needs ng mga patients natin, kundi pati na sa kanilang emotional.
Wait.
Rose, Neil, Kashmir, I saw the impact you all made. Keep those virtues close to your heart. The compassion, courage, and honesty are the foundation of the true healing. You are on your way to becoming excellent nurses someday.
Thank you.
Sana sa next step niya, Judy, may masay sa ballroom.
Sa bawat pasyente, may kwento.
Sa bawat kwento, may puso.
Sa bawat puso, may tatlong puso.
Pagmamalasakit,
Katapangan at katapatan.